Hello, welcome to MoneyPlus. In this video, we will see how we can log into MyMoneyplus app. First of all, you will open the MyMoneyplus app and click on Login. However, you can log in with your registered mobile number and OTP or with your user ID and password. Here, you will click on Forgot Password and enter your login ID. Generally, login ID is your registered email ID. And if you want to know your login ID, then you can message or email us. As soon as you click on Submit, you will receive a password reset link on your email. Just as you open that link, you can set a new password. After setting the password, you have to go to the app and log in to MyMoneyplus app with the same user ID and password. On this screen, you can select your lock screen option so that next time you do not have to enter the password and you can log in with fingerprint or face password. If you have any doubts, you can reach us in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video.